Hi there, my name is Alicia and this is AliDropship channel. You will learn how to set up WooCommerce AliDropship store from this video. Here is the website we get after we complete this guide. We build it during this tutorial, so you'll get the same or an even better website. It won't be as difficult as it seems at first, even if you're not a techie person. We'll walk through the first 15 steps to your dream store together. You will find this list with timestamps in the description. First, we will get the domain and hosting. Then install WordPress, WooCommerce, and AliDropship plugin. After that, we customize the store appearance. Then we add payment gateways and set up email notifications and pricing formulas. In the next step, we will add products with reviews from AliExpress. Finally, we will set up some helpful add-ons and process test order. That's all you need to do to become the proud owner of your own dropshipping store built with AliDropship WOO plugin on the WooCommerce platform. Follow these steps and build your future extra income generator. Good news, 90% of these actions only need to be performed once. I composed this video starting from step 1, getting a domain and hosting. If you already have hosting and domain, skip the first 2 steps of this video and go to the part where I show how to install WooCommerce. If you have WooCommerce installed as well, start from this point. Let's jump into the first step right now. Set up your domain name and hosting. We hope that you already know which niche suits you best. Otherwise, watch our videos with some tips on this topic, check out our blog with great niche ideas, or get our Help via Services section on our website, alidropship.com. Your domain name or website link is the detail that determines the impression from your site and gives your store visitor the idea of what you sell. Domains end with .com, .org, and .net, and so on. You get the idea. .com domains are more trusted and get indexed on Google faster. The first part of the domain name should show immediately what your store is about. Our store is going to be about some kids' room decor, playmats, and so on. It's an evergreen niche because happy parents always want to make their kids' corner look cute and comfortable. Let's start by getting some ideas for our domain name. For that, visit Name Match Generator. Put your main keywords in the search field. Your domain must be good for SEO. That means including keywords. It must clearly show what your visitor is going to find in your store. It must look reputable. Avoid silly, random, or deceitful names. I decided on children's product niche. That's why I'm searching for related domain names. I wanted to be in a .com domain zone and sound nice. You can also select your register. We usually buy our domain names on the GoDaddy platform. If you want to save some money and are ready to spend some time, you can check the chosen name within each register. Completely identical names can cost different amounts in different services, so you can find the most favorable price. Right after we decide about our domain name, we go to the register and add it to our cart to become its owner. If you're not registered yet, create an account, provide the necessary details, and pay for the purchase. Our domain sounds great and looks reputable enough. It's also good for SEO. As you can see, we will be able to create pages on social media for our website using our domain name. As for hosting, there are plenty of hosting providers. Check the requirements of AliDropship plugin to make sure your hosting will meet them. I recommend getting it from AliDropship, and here's why. Hosting your website with AliDropship offers many advantages for dropshippers. It's perfectly optimized for WordPress-based stores, and the dropshipping plugin includes a free SSL certificate, installed ION loader, free anti-DDoS guard, advanced security system, and some other benefits. We will also buy an AliDropship WOO plugin, which helps in building and managing a dropshipping store. When buying AliDropship plugin, put a tick to add hosting for 1 year and fill out your information to complete your order. After the purchase, you should check for the email sent during checkout. Here you will find the license key for the plugin and the details about your hosting. Choosing AliDropship hosting also provides you with free installation of the plugin by the AliDropship team. AliDropship company asks to change NS records, not an A record, when pointing the domain to the AliDropship server. So you should go back to your register and enter the name servers provided in your email. The instructions on how to do it depending on the selected register are also here. Here's how we do it on the GoDaddy platform. From the Domain Manager, select your domain name from the list to access the Domain Settings page. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section and select Manage DNS. Then select Custom in the Name Service section and enter the details from the email. When changing NS records for domain, an IP address for domain will be changed automatically. All DNS changes can take 24 to 48 hours to fully update across global networks. If you want the AliDropship team to install the plugin for you, send your domain name to support@alidropship.com and let them know which version of the plugin, AliDropship Original or AliDropship WOO, working with WooCommerce, you would like to have installed. At step 2, add your domain name and install CMS WordPress to your hosting via cPanel or use Hosting Setup and Support service. After delegation in your register, your domain name should be attached to your cPanel. You don't have to worry about installing WP on your server if you host your website with AliDropship. They will give you a hand to speed up your website launch. Anyhow, you can always do it on your own following these steps. Check the email from AliDropship named AliDropship Hosting Access. Check your spam folder if you don't see it in the inbox. Log into your cPanel using the data provided. Add your new domain via cPanel. To do that, scroll down to the Domain section and click Add-on Domains. Enter the name of your domain in the New Domain Name field and click Add Domain. Our domain name has been successfully added now. AliDropship support will make your add-on domain a primary one. It will also add an SSL certificate to your website. Now, go back to the main page and navigate to the Software section. Find and click the Site Software icon. On the next page, click the WordPress link. Here you can choose your domain name. Type in your admin username, create or generate a password, and add your email address. To finish the installation process, click Install. After the installation is complete, you will receive your WP login credentials via email from WordPress. After this, your site becomes online and you will be able to set up your dropshipping store. As soon as you have a domain name, hosting, and WordPress set up, you can install WooCommerce on your new website. If you order the AliDropship hosting and plugin, you can ask AliDropship support to help you with the installation and skip next 2 steps. If you do it yourself, follow these instructions. Go to your WordPress admin panel and select Plugins tab. Then go to Add New section and search for WooCommerce. Click Install. Later, you should activate your WooCommerce plugin. For now, you should skip WooCommerce Setup Wizard and start your AliDropship WOO plugin installation. Install AliDropship WOO plugin on your website or use AliDropship Plugin Setup service. Thanks to AliDropship plugin, you can upload and edit products from AliExpress, process your orders, import or create product reviews, and so on to make your dropshipping journey easier and more enjoyable. So, after installing WooCommerce on your site, go back to the Plugins tab, click Add New and click Upload Plugin. You can download your AliDropship plugin from the AliDropship email you got right after the purchase. Upload this file and click Install Now. Activate the plugin and move to the License section in the AliDropship WOO tab. Copy your license key from the email and paste it here. Then click Activate. You will see the message in the top right corner after your successful plugin activation. You need to choose your store theme to make your website look like a professional store. Go to Products, Themes, and choose one of the themes compatible with AliDropship plugin. When we build our store in the WooCommerce platform, we should choose one of the templates from the Themes for AliDropship WOO plugin section. There are many themes and you can choose any of them. The most popular theme compatible with WooCommerce and developed by AliDropship now is DaVinci 2.0 for WOO. I will install this theme on our example site. It is already optimized for all the devices. It is proven to be very user-friendly both for store owner and buyers. Simply download this free theme to upload it to your newly created website. Once you have downloaded a theme, enter your WordPress panel and go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme. Click Activate to continue. It doesn't look like a store yet, so let's move to our theme customization. In the next steps, we will start our theme customization according to our needs. At step 6, we will upload store design elements. I prepared them beforehand. By the way, if you don't know how to make them, you can get some help with custom design and promo video creation services at the AliDropship site. To customize a theme, first, we should install our demo content to our store, which includes pages, WooCommerce categories, menus, and plugins. Go to your dashboard, DaVinci WOO, General. Here's the Install Plugins block where you can find the list of required and recommended plugins. Plugins you have already installed are marked as active. Check or uncheck items if necessary. We recommend you check and install all of them. This might take a while, around 20 minutes actually, so grab some cookies and tea to make your waiting more pleasant. A child theme can be installed in the Install Child Theme section. You will need this if you are going to make some changes in code, so do it just in case you might need it later. Proceed to install demo to create demo content. Use the toggle switches so that demo content suits your needs. You will find some more settings in the WooCommerce tab. Check Use Site Shopping Cart to use both cart page and side cart on your website. If you want to show how many products there are in each product category, slider menu, check the box in the menu section. By default, the theme uses its own customizable image gallery on the single product page. To use the WooCommerce gallery, check the Use WooCommerce Default Gallery box. Edit shipping and payment description shown in the corresponding tab on the single product page if necessary. Go to the Service Pages tab to edit your 404 page. Go to Products, Categories, and select the categories you want to edit or create a new one. If you activated the license key and see the notification that it is activated successfully, however, you can't use the plugin and you're always redirecting to the license page, you should change the HTTP to HTTPS on the WordPress dashboard, Settings, General, in WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL. Add your site title here. Now we will be able to create several categories for our future products such as playmats, wall stickers, storage holders and racks. Click Add New Category and create your categories. To create subcategory, add its name and select the corresponding parent category. We will add shelves and organizers. Delete the unnecessary categories. Once you have installed demo content, go to Appearance, Menus to manage your menus. There are 5 of them available in the DaVinci WOO theme. Top menu, Main menu, Slider menu plus Mobile menu, and 3 footer menus. From the drop-down, select a menu to make changes to or create a new one. Check items that should be added to your menu in the left-hand sidebar. To make sure you see all item groups, click Screen Options at the top of the page and check groups you want to add to the menu. Drag items to change their display order and move them to the right to make sub-items. After you have finished editing your menu, click Save Menu. We decided to add our new categories to the slider menu to make them visible to our store visitors. Actually, you can add any links you want to see here. Here you can also upload your logo and favicon. You can create all your design elements on your own or order custom design service by AliDropship. Your logo should be 250 by 65 pixels. Site icons should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. As a rule, favicons are a tiny version of your store logo. Favicon is no place for text or complicated elements. Change header colors, add custom text and icons, add your store email or whatever information you find necessary. We'll create our branded email in one of the next steps. Go to Front Page slider to manage your slider settings. Change your button's color. We usually advise using the same or matching colors you have in your logo to make your store look more professional. From the drop-down menu, choose how your slider should look. For each banner, you can upload images for desktop and mobile versions of your website, add text and links, and show additional buttons such as View Video. Use the Add New Slide button to add more banners. You can use pictures from freepik.com. You'll be able to remove or add more banners later. Customize your super sale banner. Edit text and colors and schedule countdown timer. Run it in auto mode or set and date manually. Check how your store looks right now. Now you can edit your homepage article. Click the edit link to make changes. It should contain your store keywords. Choose how many columns to show in each footer. Adjust color settings, edit copyright notice, and customize your back to top button. You'll need to edit your store widgets and put the links to your social media pages after you create them. We'll do this in our next video with store promotional tips. About Us page and some other info pages can be customized in Dashboard, Pages. We'll do this a bit later. Set up currencies. Built-in currency switcher allows your customers to switch between the different available currencies. Go to Appearance, Widgets, and find AliDropship Currency Switcher tab on this page. On your right, you will find the designated areas where you can place this widget. Just drag AliDropship Currency Switcher and drop in the area where you want it to be shown on your front end, or select the preferred places in the drop-down menu. We added it to Front Page sidebar and our Mobile menu sidebar. To enable your currency switcher and add more currencies to the list, go to AliDropship WOO, Settings, Currency, Additional Currencies. Select the currencies you want and click Save Changes. The default currency is shown first. Customers' currency will be detected automatically according to their IP. If there is no selected currency for a country, the default currency will be shown. To accept payments from your customers, you're going to need to set up your payment gateways, and I recommend adding a cashback program at this step to earn more later. AliDropship WOO has several options depending on the country where you are based. You'll find the link in the description on how to choose the most suitable payment option depending on your country. In this video, we will turn on PayPal as a payment option. To do that, enter your dashboard, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments tab on the top of the page. Here we enable our PayPal option. We can change these settings later. You can easily register in the Ameted or EPN cashback programs to get some extra cashback from the purchases through your store. Check the links to these guides in the description. Here's how we add these programs' URLs to our website. Go to AliDropship WOO, Settings, General. Then scroll down and simply paste your URL. Connect a branded business email to your website and manage your email notifications. Yandex.Mail for a domain is a free service for setting up email on your domain. You can create a mailbox such as support@yourdomain.com. To create a Yandex account, fill in all required fields and register. Please go here and enter the name of your domain, for example, cutekidscorner.com. Enter your domain name and click Sign Up Free. Click on the box with your domain to verify it. Then select a confirmation method. We recommend doing this verification via HTML file. You can create this file in Notepad or another text editor program that supports HTML format. Name it as shown in Step 2 in HTML format starting with Yandex. Upload a file with the generated code on your site's root directory via cPanel, File Manager, Public HTML. Select Upload tab on the top of the page and upload your file. Then click Check on the Yandex page. Now you need to set up MX Records. Find the domain section in your cPanel homepage and click Zone Editor. Click Manage. Find MX Record and edit the existing MX records with the following field values. Put 10 in the priority section and mx.yandex.net as the destination. Wait while changes take effect in DNS. This process may take up to 72 hours. Then go to Yandex Connect site. Here choose Add an employee in the Admin Tools. Fill in the data and in the Login section, create the desired mailbox for your site. We put Info. You can create several of them for free. Create your password and click Add. Now you have your own branded business email. Our more detailed guide in the description of this video. Let's manage our email notifications via WooCommerce settings. Click Emails tab and scroll down to Email Sender options. Put your store name as from name and your just created business email as from address. So your clients will be able to see your store name and address in the received emails after they take certain actions on your website. You can change the footer text at any time later with anything you want to see at the end of the letter. Change the base color according to your store colors. We used a free Show Pixel Color extension to copy and paste the color code in just 2 clicks. You might want to add your store logo as the header image of your email. We advise downloading your logo to the media library and then pasting the link of this image from there to this field. Click the link to preview your email template. Then you can start managing your emails. First, edit the email to the one you need to. You should disable the unnecessary notifications. The more advanced guide for WooCommerce emails you will find in the description. Decide on the pricing strategy, taxes, shipping price, and update auto order settings. All products imported in your store from AliExpress appear with their original prices. To get profit from your business, you need to determine pricing rules and set markups or margins. To change our automatic price rounding and assigning cents, go to AliDropship WOO, Pricing. Formulas can be applied not only to all product categories but also to certain ones. Just select the specified category from the drop-down menu. For beginners, we usually advise using the recommended formulas. Click Save Changes. Get AliDropship useful tips on this topic using the link in the description. With the help of the prices rounding feature, you can round your prices. If this option is activated, for example, such prices as $8.53 and $6.47 will be automatically changed after product's price update to $9 and $6 respectively. Enable it if you need this. Or, on the contrary, you can assign cents. Set a specific cent value for your retail price. You can also set several different values separated by commas so that they will be applied randomly. This value will be used when forming the final price for your items. For example, if you want the cost of your products to be something 95 cents, add 95 to this field. Every time you change something in pricing formulas, in price rounding, or assigning cents, you need to click Update. In this case, all exchange rates will be calculated properly. To access the tax settings screens, they first need to be enabled. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, General. Select the Enable Taxes and Tax Calculation checkbox. Save changes. To start configuring taxes, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Tax. The Tax tab displays several options that can be set to suit your needs. The settings you choose are based on the tax jurisdiction under which your store is located. We're going to select an option, No, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. This way, our catalog prices need to be tax exclusive. Set your taxes easily with the detailed WooCommerce guide in the description. We advise adding the free shipping worldwide option, which makes your store more appealing to customers. We already have this offer written in the store header. So let's add this to our WooCommerce settings. Click on the Shipping tab and then click Add Shipping Zone. Name it Free Shipping. If we don't select any countries, all the products in our store will be eligible for free shipping worldwide. Then click Add Shipping Method and select Free Shipping option. Click Add Shipping Method. AliDropship can override the customer's phone number with our phone number on the checkout page. So if your suppliers need to get in contact with us, they will use our phone number, not the customers. Go to AliDropship WOO General Settings and find the Auto Order settings. Enter your phone number and enable the button. Also, we are going to check that the automatic note tells our suppliers not to include any invoices or marketing materials with the orders. This way, we'll reduce the risk of letting our customers find out the original price of our store products. This is known as blind dropshipping. Don't forget to save changes. Then go to Updates. Any supplier has run out of products uploaded to our store, they will be shown as out of stock. Click the button and select Set Quantity to 0. Change other options too if you feel it necessary. Enable the auto update and set the interval. Save changes. Upload up to 50 pre-edited products from DropShipMe database for free and set up AliDropship extension. The DropShipMe edited product database is included starting with the latest version of the AliDropship plugin. Go to your dashboard, AliDropship WOO, and choose Import from the left side menu. You can save countless hours on editing your product pages as all the DropShipMe database items come with professionally pre-edited product details. That means that you get perfectly optimized, clean, and attractive product pages in your store right after importing the items. Add up to 50 products according to your niche. You can get more imports using this database by ordering one of the packages. Check the DropShipMe plugin FAQ section via the link in the description to learn more. I import products related to my niche. This is what they will look like on the main page of my store. We also recommend uploading more products directly from AliExpress. For that, we should set up AliDropship extension first. AliDropship extension allows you to add products and reviews to your site directly from AliExpress, edit products before import, update product stock and prices, fulfill orders automatically and collect tracking IDs to send to your clients, compare prices from different sellers, compare all offers and choose the cheapest ones. Track product price changes. Check out customers' images. Google Chrome browser is the only browser compatible with AliDropship extension. To use all the features you see on the screen, you need to install your extension and then authorize AliDropship Google Chrome extension on your site. Open your site. Log into your admin area. Click AliDropship Google Chrome extension icon. Log in, or add the site manually using the website field. Do not log out if you do not want to authorize every time you open your site. If you face any problems while installing your AliDropship extension, check one of the videos on our channel to fix this. Check the next step to learn how to use this extension. Choose Import and Edit items from AliExpress. After signing in to AliExpress, you can start choosing items suitable for your store. We want to add some cute shelves in the Nordic style for a kid's room. We put a keyword and selected subcategory on the AliExpress platform. Then we sort the results by the number of orders and choose a high product rating. We can select the preferred category of our store to upload our selected products in the AliDropship bar above. We choose this cute Nordic-style shelf, which would look cute in a kid's room. Let's check the reviews using the AliDropship plugin feature to make sure that the product suits the description. It has a good rating and nice number of orders. We can import one or several products at once without editing them right now, or we can choose one product and edit it before uploading it to our store. We prefer checking each product before adding it. Change a long product name to a short one and update your product link by simply deleting it and clicking Save. You can remove images from the description and delete all the unnecessary details. Later, you should create catchy description text, which helps to get more sales. Prices will be generated automatically according to your pricing formulas. Check item specifics and click Publish. You can add an unlimited number of products to your store for free. Just find the best ones by thoroughly examining each of the products to fit your store. Check the link to our article about choosing products from AliExpress. Go back to your store. In the admin mode, you can see all the imported products. Of course, you need to edit and publish them. Check if you have all the categories for your products and add more. Here's one of our edited products which is already published. It doesn't have reviews yet. In the next step, we will import the reviews from AliExpress just in a few clicks. Import product reviews. To import product reviews, go to the dashboard, AliDropship WOO, Import, and click Import Reviews. Here, we can choose the reviews rating, number of reviews to import, and product categories. You can select countries and languages. We prefer importing reviews from all the countries translated into English. Know that you will need to edit imported reviews later to remove some unnecessary details about your product. Uploading reviews takes some time depending on the number of imported products. Then you choose any of the products to edit and update their reviews. I delete all the details that don't look attractive and corrupted symbols. Don't forget to save changes in the end. Install and set up add-ons by AliDropship. There are many of them. I will install 2 add-ons, AliShipping add-on and My Suppliers add-on at this step. Let's add these 2 add-ons to make your future dropshipping experience much easier and more productive. The list of the AliDropship add-ons are located on the AliDropship website, Products, Add-ons page. I installed the AliShipping add-on by AliDropship because it helps to offer my clients various shipping methods. It imports them from AliExpress, so I don't have to set up them manually. To install this add-on, we should buy it on the official site and upload it to our store. Click Buy Add-on. Fill in your information and payment details to complete the order. After that, you will get an email with the plugin's zip file and your license key. Download the file and copy this key. Go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose a zip file for the add-on and click Install Now. Click Activate Plugin. To start importing shipping methods on your site, you need to go to AliShipping in your dashboard here and enter your license key from the email. Click Add to All Products. After the upload is done, click Shipping Methods to check the result. Now you can see a list of the shipping methods applied to the products on your site. Change any of the titles in the shipping method list to prevent AliExpress or China references. Save your changes. You can also show ePacket as a free shipping option for your customers. Click the toggle above the table. In case you don't want a certain shipping method to appear at your store, you can disable them by clicking the relevant toggle. After you have finished editing shipping method titles, they will be available for every product on your website in the checkout section. Check it by adding any of your products to the cart and go into the checkout section. My suppliers add-on will help me to manage my suppliers. I will use automatically collected data about my best suppliers to choose ones that bring me more profit and build strong strategic partnerships with them. In the long run, I will leave one or two of them. That is important for me because I want my clients to get their orders in one package. When you work with multiple suppliers, your clients can get many packages for a single order, and usually they don't like it. Buy My Suppliers add-on and download it from the link in your email. Your license code will also be in this letter. To install this add-on, go to the Plugins area, Add New, and upload the zip file you have downloaded from the thank you page or from the email you have received after purchase. Click Install. Activate the add-on and your license key. Once My Suppliers add-on is activated, go to Products, My Suppliers. There is a supplier list with the number of products, the number of sold products, your store gross profit, and AliExpress seller's rating. If you click View Products, you will be redirected to the products list filtered by the name of the supplier. If you click View Store on AliExpress, you will be redirected to the AliExpress store page. To collect AliExpress seller's rating, just click the Get Rating button opposite the name of the supplier. You see the same rating on AliExpress. Or click Get Suppliers Rating at the bottom of the page to get the ratings for all your suppliers. If you find any difficulty in setting up any of these add-ons, you can get help from AliDropship team via add-on setup service. Finally, let's check how it works. Process the test order at step 15. To process our test order, we should switch our payment methods to cash on delivery. Go to your dashboard, WooCommerce, Settings, and choose the Payments tab at the top. Here you should enable cash on delivery and disable other payment methods unless you want to check this too. Then go to your website. Enter your card and place your order after filling in your details. Then go to WooCommerce, Orders. Click the order you want to process. Click Place Order automatically to proceed with the processing your order. The plugin will visit AliExpress and fulfill the order for you automatically. Select the required product variation, add items to your shopping cart, and fill your customer shipping details on the checkout page. To complete the purchase, click Place Order. That's it! We set up everything, and now the AliDropship plugin automates the process for us. We have set up all the basic settings. What's next? This is how the store looks after all the work done. Is the store ready for sales now? In my opinion, not yet, but you did a pretty good job. Technically, this store is fully working order. You can process orders now. But I like to make everything perfect before starting ads and driving traffic. I would say you need to upgrade this store by creating and adding social media pages, lead generation tools, some social proof add-ons, and do some work with SEO. I will create What's Next section in the description of this video, so you can find links to the materials that will help you with the next steps. I will leave links there to the videos on this channel, in which you will find necessary information, and articles on our blog, which will help you to figure out your marketing strategy. Check them out. Learn from our videos how to market your store, and check out our blog with tips and strategies. You can also check our marketing services to get some tasks done by our specialists. Anyway, you're in the very beginning of your successful dropshipping journey. Be patient and earn your share with it.